Hello students, let's continue with practice set 2.3, sum number 3. Here we are supposed to classify the surds as like surds and unlike surds. Like and unlike, write down. To find out whether the surd is a like surd, right, you must check the order and the radicand. Once again, right. To find out the surd is a like surd or an unlike surd, you have to check the order and the radicand. Order and the radicand. R-A-D-I-C-A-N-D. Radicand. Order and the radicand. Let us talk about question number 1. This is root of 52. Is this number in a simplest form? No. This number is not in the simplest form. तुम लोग बोलेंगे सर simplest form मतलब क्या? Simple, third class, फालतू. See this is 52. I have to divide this 52. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 13 1s are 13. That means this root 52 will become root of 2 into 2 into 13. That is square root है ना इधर, तो दो नंबर को एक बार, that is 2 root 13. And this number is 5 root 13. This is 2 root 13. This is 5 root 13. Check the radicand. Radicand मतलब square root के नीचे वाला नंबर. Radicand is 13. Very good. Shame to shame. 13 is shame. Now check the order. The order is, order मतलब ये square root है 2, तो इधर कुछ नहीं है तो 2. The order is 2. Radicand भी same, order भी same. Therefore, the given surds are like surds. Easy के hard, easy. Question number 2. Question number 3. Root 68. Is this number in the simplest form? No. We have to convert root 68 into simplest form. So I will write root of 68 is equal to 68. 2 3s are 4s are 2 shatara 17 1. That means 2 into 2 into 17. That is 2 root 17. 2 दो बार है ना स्क्वायर रूट है तो बाहर एक बार आएगा 70. This is 5 root 3. Now compare these two. The order is same. 2 है ना order, that is 2. 2 है ना order 2. But the radicand मतलब स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर वाला नंबर is different. Therefore, these surds are unlike surds. Next, question number 3. 4 root 18. 4 root 18. क्या 18 फैक्टराइज्ड है क्या? नहीं. 18 को भी फैक्टराइज करो. 2 9s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. So 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So it will be 4 पहले से है, 3 बाहर आएगा, 3 अंदर बचेगा 2. 4 3s is not 7. 4 3s is 12 root 2. Okay. This is the first number. And the second number is 7 root 2. This is the second number. Now compare these two. Order is same. 2. बराबर ना? Order is square root. And radicand is also same. Therefore, the surds are like surds. Easy. Sum number 4, 5 and 6. Now it becomes more comfortable. That is why I am taking all the three sums together. 19 root 12. 19 root 12. Is 12 factorized? No. You have to factorize 12. That is 2 6 2 3 3 1 So it will be 19 root 12 can be written as 19 root 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. That is 19 into दो नंबर को एक बार बाहर अंदर root 3. 38 root 3. First answer. Second answer is 6 root 3. This is the second one. Compare करेंगे. Order is same. The radicand is same. Right? Order is same and radicand is same. Therefore, they are like surds. तुम लोग पूरा लिखो. आगे चलते हैं. 5 root 22. 5 root 22. 22 को फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं क्या? 11 2 नहीं कर सकते. It will remain the same. So it will be 5 root 22. And here 7 root 33 same रहेगा because 33 cannot be factorized. 11 3 is 33. Okay ना? So कोई number repeat नहीं हो रहा है. That means here the order is same but the radicand is different. They are unlike surds. पूरा लिखो तुम लोग. Okay. Next one. 5 root 5 and root 75. So this is the first term. And root 75 को factorize कर सकते हैं क्या? Yes कर सकते हैं. 75 5 1 5 5 5 3 3 1 so 5 into 5 into 3 okay na so it will be 5 root 3 now the order is same but the under ka number that is radicand is different therefore they are unlike surds. Any props? No props. The next question contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub questions. And here we are asked to simplify the following surds. Now in my yesterday's lecture, I have taught you how to simplify or how to convert the surd into a simplest form. So this will be very simple for you all. But it is very important. Okay? So let's begin. This is root of 27. So root of 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 27 3 9s 3 3s 3 1s बराबर ना ये नंबर्स यहाँ पे लिख दिया स्क्वायर रूट है ना तो हाउ मेनी नंबर्स यू हैव टू राइट वंस 2 नंबर्स यू हैव टू राइट वंस अंदर घर में एक ही नंबर बचेगा 3 रूट इजी नेक्स्ट इज 50 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 into 5 into 5 ओके डिवाइड करके देख लो यहाँ पे 50 2 25 5 5 5 1 so it will be दो नंबर को एक बार 5 root 2 easy next is 250 2 125 5 2 5 5 5 5 5 1 so it will be 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 so how many numbers दो नंबर को एक बार अंदर बचेगा 2 5 10 easy next is 112 2 5 2 6 2 28 2 14 2 7 7 1 so 112 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 1 2 3 4 and 7 1 1 so दो बार आएगा 4 बार आएगा तो अंदर बचेगा रूट 7 ओके इजी नेक्स्ट इज रूट ऑफ 168 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 168 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 8 2 4 2 42 2 21 3 7 7 1 so it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 okay दो नंबर को एक बार अंदर बचेगा 2 3 6 6 7 is 42 okay the next question is compare the following pair of surds. Now how to compare or how to solve the comparison sum. Now for example when you look at the first question and when you look at the second question you will find the difference. Here there is a number under the square root and there is a number outside the square root. Same thing applies here, a number in the square root and outside the square root. But here when you see, you will find that there are two numbers, but there are two numbers under the square root. मतलब यहाँ पे एक ही नंबर है, तो I can write second question solve करता हूँ. I can write 247 is less than 274. Because 247 is less than 274, therefore root of 247 is less than root of 274. Easy ना, easy था, कुछ हार्ड है ही नहीं. दोनों नंबर स्क्वायर रूट के नीचे है, दोनों नंबर का ऑर्डर सेम है, बराबर ना, 2 ही है ऑर्डर, बराबर. तो यू कैन कंपेयर देम डायरेक्टली. 247 इससे छोटा है तो इसका रूट इससे छोटा रहेगा, बट ये दो नंबर को यू कैन नॉट कंपेयर क्योंकि यहां पे देयर इज अ नंबर आउटसाइड द स्क्वायर रूट. देयर इज अ नंबर आउटसाइड द स्क्वायर रूट. तो मेरा काम क्या रहेगा? टू पुट दिस नंबर इन द स्क्वायर रूट. तो सबसे पहला आई विल राइट 7 रूट 2. सो आई विल राइट 2 स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर है, बट 7 जब अंदर जाएगा, 7 जब अंदर स्क्वायर रूट के जाएगा, तो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई? 2 टाइम्स. याद है ना, 2 बार नंबर रहता है तो बाहर एक बार लिखते हैं. तो अभी अगर उसको अंदर डालना है तो बिकॉज इट इज अ स्क्वायर रूट तो 2 बार लिखना है. ओके, सो यू विल गेट 7 7 is 49, 49 2 is 98. You will get 98. This is 1. Okay. Similarly, second 5 root 3 को भी अंदर डाल दो. चलो 3 पहले से है, 5 को अंदर डालो, कितनी बार लिखेंगे? 2. So 3 5 is 15, 15 5 is 75. Root of 75. This is dash 2. Now you compare. कौन सा बड़ा है? 98 is greater than 75. बराबर ना, 98 is greater than 75. Therefore root of 98 is greater than root of 75. अरे बराबर, easy. Therefore पहला नंबर बड़ा है. 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. Because first number इससे बड़ा है तो पहला वाला क्वेश्चन दूसरे वाले क्वेश्चन से बड़ा रहेगा. कंपैरिजन हो गया, इजी है. The next is third question is 2 root 7. So I will write 2 root 7 will become 7 into 2 अंदर जाएगा, 2 into 2. Okay, so it will become 7 2 is 14, 14 2 is 28. Okay, this is dash 1. Second question में 28 ही दिया है, dash 2 सेम है. That means root of 28 is equal to root of 28. Therefore 2 root 7 is equal to root of 28. Easy. Next is 5 root 5. So it will be 5 पहले से है, 5 अंदर जाएगा तो multiply by 2 बार multiply होगा. This will become 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Next is 7 root 2 will become 2 पहले से है, 7 अंदर जाएगा, 7 into 7 हो जाएगा. 7 7 is 49, 49 2 is 98. चेक करो, 125 is greater than 98. Therefore पहला is greater than दूसरा. Easy क्या hard? Easy. Next 4 root 42 will become 42 into 4 into 4 will become 42 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 4 is 64, 672. This will become 9 root 2 will become 9 into 9 into 2. 9 9 is 81, 81 2 is 162. So कौन सा बड़ा है? This is 1, this is 2. So that means root 672 is greater than root 162. Therefore 4 root 42 is greater than 9 root 2. Is greater than 9 root 2. Now last two questions. 5 root 3. So 5 root 3 will become 3 into 5 into 5. It will become 5 5 is 25, 25 3 is 75. Easy, very easy. Next is 9. तुम लोग बोलेंगे सर इधर तो रूट ही नहीं है ना, हम कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे? अरे 9 मतलब 9 into 9 that is root 81. ये तो बहुत इजी है, ज्यादा इजी है ना. कोई भी नंबर रहेगा ना तो you multiply 2 times and write in the root. Suppose इधर 10 रहता तो root 10 into 10 root of 100. इधर 20 रहता root 20 into 20. इधर 15 root 15 into 15. Now compare. Root 75 is less than root of 81. Therefore 5 root 3 is less than 9. Easy. Next. 7. Close or odd? No. 7 7 is 49. This is dash 1. 2 root 5 means 5 into 2 into 2. Okay? 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. 2. Root 49 is greater than root 20. Therefore 7 is greater than 2 root 5. Question number 6 talks about simplify the following. In that, question number 1 says that 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. See, you are supposed to add the surds. You are supposed to add these numbers. These numbers can be added, but the surd must be same. That means the sign, that is order, is 2. कुछ भी नहीं है तो 2 रहता है, सबको मालूम है. 2 square root. And the radicand is 3. It is common. तो इन दोनों को ऐड कर सकते हैं, otherwise ऐड नहीं कर सकते. 5 plus 8 is 13 and this root 3 will be common. So these two numbers can be added only if the order and the number is same. Suppose the number is 2. So if this is also 2, then this can be added. This is 1, this is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Cube root of 2. Hope this is clear. The order 3 and the radicand must be same. तो बाहर के जो नंबर रहेंगे वो नंबर ऐड हो जाएंगे and you will get this answer. The next question is 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root of 125. 5 cannot be factorized. 5 cannot be factorized. But 125 can be factorized. 125. 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So I can write 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. That means 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus, because this is square root, two numbers have to be written once outside the square root side. Hope this is clear. Now the order is same, the radicands are also same. You can add and subtract these numbers. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 root 5 is your answer. 7 root of 48. Can this 48 be factorized? Yes. 48 as 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. That means 7 root of 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 minus. Can this 27 be factorized? Answer is yes. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 3 into 3 into 3 minus. Can this root 3 be factorized? No, 3 can be written as 3. So I write 7. Square root मतलब दो नंबर को एक बार, तो यहाँ से 1 2 निकलेगा, यहाँ से 2 निकलेगा, तो 2 2 अंदर बचेगा root 3 माइनस यहाँ से 3 निकलेगा, अंदर बचेगा root 3 minus 1 root 3. 7 4 is 28 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus 1 root 3. The radicands are same. Order is also same. That means 28 minus 3 is 25, minus 1 is 24. Square root of 3 is the answer. Last question of question number 6. 1 root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. So 1 root 7 plus 2 root 7 can be added because root 7 is same and the order is also same. So 1 plus 2 will become 3 root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7. Here also there is root 7, here also there is root 7. That means I can subtract 3 minus 3 upon 5. I will get root 7 as common. Denominator is 1. Denominator not same, you cannot subtract them directly. Khachak, khachak, pachak. You have to do khachak, khachak, pachak. That means cross multiplication. Khachak, khachak, pachak. So 3 5 is 15 minus 3 1 is 3 upon 5 1 is 5 root 7. That is equal to 15 minus 3 is 12 upon 5 root 7 is the answer. Easy hai, hard nahi. Now let's come to question number 7. Question number 7 says multiplication. Now we have done addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction में two conditions थे. Order and the radicand must be same. Now multiplication देखते हैं. Multiplication में there is no condition. Multiplication में सिर्फ you have to multiply. Now कैसे करना है वो एक बार देख लो तो easy लगेगा. Now सबसे पहला root 12 can be simplified? Yes. Root 18 can be simplified? Yes. Shallow, shallow, shallow. 2 6 are 2 3 are 3 1 are 18. 2 9 are 3 3 are 3 1 are. Okay. That means I can write 3. 12 के बदले में I can write 2 into 2 into 3. दोनों तकलीफ नहीं तकलीफ into root 18. Instead of 18 I can write 2 into 3 into 3. Any probs? No probs. Shallow. 3 is outside the root sign. Square root means writing two numbers once. अंदर क्या बचेगा? बेचारा अकेला है तो घर में ही रहेगा ना. पार्टी जो दो पार्टनर है वो लोग ही करेंगे ये घर में. इनटू वैसे ये लोग दोनों है तो ये दोनों पार्टी करने बाहर आएंगे लेकिन ये बेचारा अकेला है तो घर में ही रहेगा. Shallow multiply. Now the numbers which are not having any root sign. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s is 18. Any probs? No probs. Root 3 and 2 are under square root sign. Their order is same. देखो ना order same है ना तो multiply कर सकते हैं. 3 2s is 6. So this is the final answer. Next question is 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. 3. Can this 12 be factorized? Yes. 12. 2 6 are, 2 3 are, 3 1 are. 2 into 3 into 7. Can root 15 be factorized? Yes. 3 5 are 15. But factors तो आएंगे नहीं तो ऐसे ही रखो. Shallow, shallow, shallow. 3 into 2 numbers ones root 3. 7. 3 5 is 15. Shallow. 3 2s are 6. 6 7 is 42. Root 3 into root 3. See ये नंबर जिस पे रूट नहीं था उनको मल्टीप्लाई किया. I got 42. ये रूट वाला नंबर है, रूट वाला नंबर है, ये मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 3 15 is 42. Is this the final answer? No, this is not the final answer. तुम लोग बोलेंगे सर ऐसा क्यों? Yes, this 45 can be factorized. Yes, this can be factorized. तो पूरा factorize करना है, इतना याद रखो. 45. 5 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So 5 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 42. 3 bar under root 5. So your answer will be 42 into 3. 126 root 5 is your answer. Last two questions. 3 root 8. Can this 8 be factorized? Yes. Into root 5. 3 into दो नंबर एक बार अंदर बचेगा 2. रूट 5 के आगे कुछ नहीं, सबका मालिक 8. मल्टीप्लाई 3 2s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 2 5s is 10. अरे बराबर. Any problems? No problems. Next question is 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. Now one thing you must make it clear that when you multiply root 8 into root 8, so root 8 into root 8 will be 8. root 8 into root 8. That means root 8 into 8. 8 into 8 दो बार है ना? You have to write it once. So when I say root Shahid into root Shahid, answer is Shahid. Root a into root a, answer is a. Root x into root x, answer is x. So root 8 into root 8, answer is 8. 5 2 is 10. 10 8 is 8. This is the answer. We have seen addition, subtraction, we have seen multiplication also. So last is division. So today I am going to take this last part of today's video as dividing root 98 by root 2. Now how to divide root 98 by root 2? It is very simple. Root 98 uchu, root 2 नीचू. Root 98 को फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं क्या? Yes. 98 2 49 7 7 7 1. That means I can write 2 into 7 upon root 2. Easy के hard, very easy. Now because it is square root तो दो नंबर को एक बार तो 7 बाहर आएगा, अंदर बचेगा root 2 अपॉन नीचे है root 2. कुछ कैंसिल होगा क्या? Yes. root 2 will get cancelled. Answer will be 7.
9 का ये बाप रे और कितने सब करने के 9 के
second, third and fourth questions together because these are very simple questions. चलो root 125 upon root 15. 125 can be factorized. Yes, करके देखो. You will get 5 into 5 into 5. Root 50 can be factorized. Yes, 5 into 5 into 2. Okay, check करके देखो, ऐसा लाइन करो और करके देखो. Square root है, two numbers you will write once. 5 root 5 upon 5 root 2. 5 gets cancelled. Your answer will be root 5 upon root 2. Any probs? No probs. Next question. Root 54 divided by root 27. Can 54 be factorized? Can root 27 be factorized? Yes. 54. 2 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So 54 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. Sure. Take two numbers once. Inside the bracket you will get 2 into 3. That means you will get root 2 into root 3. दो नंबर मिलेंगे. यहाँ पे 3 बाहर, नीचे क्या मिलेगा? root 3. Okay, 3 gets cancelled. root 3 gets cancelled. Your answer will be root 2. Done. Next is root 310 divided by root of 5. Can 310 be factorized? Yes. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 5 1s are 31 1s are. So answer is root of 31 into 5 into 2 divided by root 5. अभी देखो ना बॉस, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. ये दो रूट की साइन लेने से अच्छा है. देखो तुम्हारे स्कूल का टीचर बोलेगा डायरेक्ट एक बड़ा साइन ले लो और दोनों नंबर्स को अंदर रखो, तो कैंसिल करने अच्छा पड़ेगा ना. तो 5 will get cancelled with pencil ना बॉस. 31 2 is 62, root 62. Okay. Easy. Sum number 9 talks about rationalizing the denominators. Now, rationalizing the denominators is a very important topic in this chapter. Now, these are the basic questions on rationalizing denominators. So, let's start with the basic, then we go to the higher level. So, let's talk about this question. Question number 1. That is 3 upon root 5. The denominator is root 5. The denominator is not a rational number. So to make this as rational, what you have to do is, you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 5. Now what happens when you multiply by root 5? So root 5 into root 5 will become rational. It will become 5. अरे समझा ना, अगर रूट के नीचे सपोज रूट शाहिद है, सो मल्टीप्लाई रूट शाहिद है ना, तो रूट शाहिद से ही मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, रूट शाहिद इनटू रूट शाहिद, इट विल बिकम शाहिद, इट विल बिकम रैशनल। अरे समझा क्या? सो इट विल बिकम वेरी सिंपल। सो 3 into root 5 is 3 root 5 because दोनों की जात अलग है, you cannot multiply them, and root 5 into root 5 becomes 5. That means this has become rationalized. So this is the rationalizing of the denominator. Is this clear? Very simple. Next question is, suppose second one is 1 upon root 14. Similarly, first sum जैसा ही 1 upon root 14 है, root 14 is not rational, so multiply by root 14, root 14. So you will get root 14 upon root 14 into root 14 is 14. So this is the final answer. Okay, easier. Next, third one is 5 upon root 7. That is 5 upon root 7. Multiply by root 7, root 7. So you will get 5 root 7 upon root 7 into root 7 is 7. Okay. Next question is 6 upon 9 root 3. 6 upon 9 root 3. Now here the denominator is having two terms. One is a rational number, other is an irrational number. That means किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो रैशनल हो जाएगा? रूट 3 से. रूट 3 रूट 3. So you will get 6 root 3 upon 9 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So your answer will be 2 root 3 upon 9. Denominator rational हो गया? हो गया. आगे. Next question is 11 upon root 3. So 11 upon root 3 को एकदम easy question है. Root 3 root 3. So you will get 11 root 3 upon 3 root 3 into root 3 is 3. Easy. This is practice set 2.4, sum number 1 and sum number 2. Sum number 1, that is the main question, talks about multiplying these numbers, and here also you have to multiply. So let's talk about this. You have to multiply root 3 into root 7 minus root 3. रूट 3 ब्रैकेट के बाहर है, एनी नंबर विच इज आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट ना, जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर रहता है ना, तो अपने आप को सनी देओल समझता है. सनी देओल क्या करता है? अंदर घुसता है और सबसे मारामारी करता है. अभी इधर 2 है ना, तो दोनों से मारामारी करेगा. दैट मींस रूट 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 7 एंड रूट 3 मल्टीप्लाई रूट 3. तो चलो, सो रूट 3 into रूट 7 माइनस रूट 3 into रूट 3. डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकता था, क्योंकि पहला समय तो मैं ऐसा ऐसा कर रहा हूं. सो रूट 3 into रूट 7, ऑर्डर सेम है ना, यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई. 7 3 is 21. Easy. Minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. अभी इसकी जात दोनों की अलग अलग है. You cannot subtract them. Answer, final answer यही है. We go further. Root 2 ब्रैकेट के बाहर है, so सभी दो multiply. Root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 into root 7. That will be root 2 into root 5 will be root 10 minus root 2 into root 7 will be root 14. रैडिकेंड अलग अलग है ना, यू कैन नॉट सब्सट्रैक्ट देम. जब तक रैडिकेंड सेम नहीं रहता, पावर सेम नहीं रहता, यू कैन नॉट ऐड एंड सब्सट्रैक्ट. सो दिस विल बी द फाइनल आंसर. ओके. द नेक्स्ट सम इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ ब्रैकेट्स. मल्टीप्लाई द ब्रैकेट्स. Multiplying brackets is very simple. Normally we do it multiplication. When two brackets are multiplied, the second bracket or the first bracket is repeated twice. दो बार लिखते हैं. तो ऐसे 4 root 3 minus 1 root 2, 4 root 3 minus 1 root 2. I have written it 2 times and first bracket को टुकड़े कर दो. 3 root 2, 1 root 3. कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1 कर दो. सबका मालिक 1. चलो. Now multiply in the bracket. नंबर जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर है सनी देओल है, वो सबसे मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, वो सबसे मारामारी करेगा. 3 root 2 into 4 root 3, 3 root 2 into 1 root 2. Okay. Now how to multiply? नंबर नंबर ब्रैकेट ब्रैकेट, नंबर नंबर ब्रैकेट ब्रैकेट याद रखिएगा. नंबर नंबर रूट रूट, नंबर नंबर रूट रूट. सो नंबर 3 4s are 12. रूट रूट, root 2 into root 3, 2 3s are 6. नंबर नंबर रूट रूट, नंबर नंबर 12, रूट 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 6 माइनस नंबर नंबर 3 1s are 3, रूट रूट, root 2 into root 2 2 माइनस नंबर नंबर 4, रूट रूट, root 3 into root 3 3 माइनस into माइनस प्लस नंबर नंबर 1 1s are 1, root 3 root 2 root 6. अरे बराबर. चलो 12 root 6 minus 3 to the 6, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 root 6. जात किसकी सेम है? 12 रूट 6 प्लस 1 रूट 6 इज 13 रूट 6, माइनस 6 माइनस 12 इज माइनस 18, ऐड हो जाएगा और साइन माइनस करेगा, माइनस 8। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सब क्वेश्चन 1 इज रैशनलाइजिंग ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर। नहीं क्या इसके पहले वाले एक्सरसाइज में रैशनलाइज डिनोमिनेटर किया आज मैंने, थोड़ा हाई लेवल वाला समय, रैशनलाइजिंग द डिनोमिनेटर। 1 अपॉन रूट 7 प्लस रूट 2, this number, there are two numbers, the sign between the numbers is plus. To rationalize such numbers you have to multiply this number by its conjugate, by its conjugate. What is the meaning of conjugate? Conjugate मतलब रूट 7 प्लस रूट 2 का conjugate है रूट 7 माइनस रूट 2, प्लस साइन माइनस, माइनस साइन प्लस, खाली याद रखना। चलो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, रूट 7 माइनस रूट 2, अगर डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करें तो ऊपर वाले को बुरा लगेगा ना, तो दोनों रूट 7 माइनस रूट 2, ओके। 1 into root 7 minus root 2 will be same, root 7 minus root 2, ये तो सेम रहेगा। बट डिनोमिनेटर में रूट 7 प्लस रूट 2, रूट 7 माइनस रूट 2, a प्लस b, a माइनस b, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला, बहुत बार यूज करूंगा, a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, बिकॉज पहला समय लिख के बता रहा हूं, नेक्स्ट समय लिख के नहीं बताऊंगा। रूट 7 प्लस रूट 2, रूट 7 माइनस रूट 2 इज a प्लस b, a माइनस b, a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, मतलब फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर रूट 7 स्क्वायर, सेकेंड टर्म का स्क्वायर रूट 2 स्क्वायर, सो योर आंसर विल बी रूट 7 माइनस रूट 2 अपॉन रूट 7 स्क्वायर इज 7, रूट 7 into रूट 7 is 7, minus root 2 into root 2 is 2, so answer will be root 7 minus root 2 divided by 7 minus 2 is 5। देखो डिनोमिनेटर रैशनलाइज हो गया 5। And the last question of today's video is 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Once again, the denominator is not rationalized, so what to do? Multiply by the conjugate. Same number फिर से एक बार लिखूंगा, same, but sign क्या करेंगे? Plus 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2, 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. अरे बराबर है, ध्यान देना बॉस, माइनस था मल्टीप्लाइड बाय प्लस। चलो न्यूमरेटर 3 2s are 6, ब्रैकेट के बाहर है ना, सही दो, याद है ना, 3 2s are 6 रूट 5 प्लस 3 3s are 9 रूट 2, ओके। नाउ डिनोमिनेटर की बात करते हैं, a माइनस b, a प्लस b, अभी सिखाया मैंने, फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर, सेकंड टर्म स्क्वायर, सो फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर 2 रूट 5 स्क्वायर, सेकंड टर्म स्क्वायर 3 root 2 square, 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 डिवाइड, चलो स्क्वायर करो, 2 का स्क्वायर इज 4 इंटू रूट 5 स्क्वायर इज 5 माइनस 3 स्क्वायर इज 9, रूट 2 स्क्वायर इज 2, so your answer will be 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon 4 5s are 20 minus 9 2s are 18, 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon 2. This is the final answer. In textbook when you see the final answer, you won't find this answer because in the numerator there is 6 and there is 9. That means ये दोनों नंबर में there is something in common. 3 is common, तो वो लोग ने 3 बाहर निकाला है, 3 बाहर निकाला है, 3 2s is 6 plus 3 3s is 9 upon 2, ऐसा आंसर लिखा है। बट दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट। जो टीचर्स थोड़ा समझते हैं कि बच्चे यहाँ तक पहुंच गया मतलब सही है, तो वो लोग इसको करेक्ट दे देंगे, बट कुछ टीचर्स कायदा पंडित है, दे वांट द फाइनल परफेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक। तो परफेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक इज 6 and 9 में देयर इज 3 कॉमन, 3 आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट, 3 2s is 6, 3 3s is 9, ओके।